Hi ladies and gentlemen, in the last tutorial I did on mobile mapping, I did a radius search in an area surrounding St. Louis. And at the time when I did that, the radius area that I had selected was only 5 miles. So when I pulled the map up, it didn't really show you that much. So I went in and I changed it. If you look at the second line down, the radius is now 30 miles. So I just want to go back and show you that search again with an expanded radius just so you can see what this really looks like. Because when I first did it, it really came up with not much in the area. So I'm going to click on search nearby. I'm going to choose states. I'm going to go all the way back down to Missouri. I'm going to choose that. I'm going to press go. And now it's going to pull up everything surrounding my primary location and show all the things surrounding me within 30 miles. And again, if you tap on any one of these items, it shows you the name of the company, and then if I want to get directions or show the contact, I can quickly do that. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update to give you more of a sense of how this could work. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.